Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Fixture. Fixture means piece of equipment, etc. fixed in position. For example, a light fixture. A light fixture. Synonyms: fixed appliance, attachment, installation.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Other products include lighting fixtures and wall panels. Now, repeat after me. Other products include lighting fixtures and wall panels. The second exemplar. There's still floor covering, lighting fixtures, and furniture to arrive. Now, repeat after me. There's still floor covering, lighting fixtures, and furniture to arrive. The third exemplar. The spa's assets include about $75,000 worth of furniture, fixtures, and equipment. Now, repeat after me. The spa's assets include about $75,000 worth of furniture, fixtures, and equipment.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.